To create a Facebook account, follow these steps. Go to www.facebook.com on your web browser. On the Facebook homepage, you will see a sign-up form. Enter your first name, last name, mobile number or email address, password, date of birth, and gender in the provided fields. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Facebook will then send a verification code to the mobile number or email address you provided. Enter the code in the field provided and click Continue. You will be prompted to add a profile picture and complete your profile information. You can skip this step if you want to do it later. You will then be asked to connect with friends by importing your contacts from your email address book. You can skip this step if you want to do it later. You will then be taken to your Facebook newsfeed where you can start using Facebook. That's it. You have now created a Facebook account.